Data enhancement. What are the benefits? In today's data-driven world, having more data increases the chances of making informed business decisions and fostering growth. However, data quantity alone doesn't ensure success. The quality of data is crucial, and that's where data enhancement becomes essential. Data enhancement improves data accuracy and minimizes business risks. Incorporating artificial intelligence, AI, into this process can lead to significant success across various industries, including commerce, tech, and banking. Major companies like Netflix and Amazon already leverage AI for data enhancement. Data enhancement, also known as data enrichment or data append, involves improving raw data by adding contextual information from third-party sources. This added information can include phone numbers, emails, addresses, and more, providing valuable insights for businesses. For example, enriching customer data with social media information helps businesses understand customer behavior and create effective strategies. Adding demographic details like location and birth date allows for personalized and targeted offers, enhancing customer satisfaction. One of the key benefits of data enhancement is improved data structure and quality. The process involves cleaning, standardizing, and validating data, which eliminates errors and ensures the reliability of information. Data enhancement is also cost-effective. By creating error-free databases and eliminating irrelevant data, businesses can significantly reduce the costs associated with data management. Poor quality data can result in substantial financial losses. Competitive advantage is another benefit. Data enhancement enables businesses to gain deeper insights into their markets, customers, and competitors, leading to innovative solutions that meet changing customer needs. Accurate and comprehensive data drives better decision-making. Enhanced data provides valuable insights that help develop effective strategies, optimize marketing campaigns, and improve overall business efficiency. Regulatory compliance is also supported. Enhanced data helps businesses adhere to regulations like Know Your Customer, KYC, by cross-verifying customer identities, reducing the risk of mismatched or inconsistent information. Artificial intelligence plays a significant role in data enhancement. AI streamlines processes like data cleaning, correcting errors, and removing duplicates, ensuring accurate and consistent data. AI models can also standardize data formats. To implement AI in data enhancement, businesses should choose reliable data sources and ensure regulatory compliance. Selecting the right AI model and training it on high-quality data are crucial steps for accurate outputs. Security is vital for AI models handling sensitive information. Companies must implement robust security measures to protect user data. Regular testing and monitoring of AI models ensure consistent, high-quality outputs. Data security is another concern, as AI systems can be targets for attacks like data poisoning. Implementing strong security protocols and regularly updating AI systems can mitigate these risks. AI implementation requires significant resources and time. Businesses need infrastructure and trained specialists to handle large data volumes. Regularly updating AI systems to match emerging trends is necessary for continued relevance. Several AI-powered tools facilitate data enhancement. Dedupe.ai merges duplicates across CRM platforms, Demand Tools handles CRM data, and Trifacta preps data for analysis. MonkeyLearn, Clearbit, OpenRefine, and Clarify offer specialized data enhancement capabilities. By embracing AI-powered data enhancement, companies can reevaluate their approaches to customer satisfaction and business intelligence, gaining a competitive edge in the data-driven world. Don't wait. Invest in AI for data management today. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.